Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. I'm Mr. P.
And I'm Jenny. Hi, everyone.
Today is a special episode. We're going to teach everyday English.
Everyday English means common phrases you use every single day.
Yes, simple conversations, greeting people, asking questions, saying thank you.
Basic phrases that everyone needs to know.
This is perfect for beginners. Are you ready, Jenny?
Yes, let's start with the most important phrases.
Okay, first, greetings. How do you say hello to someone?
There are many ways. The most common is hello or hi.
Hello is more formal. Hi is more casual and friendly.
You can also say good morning in the morning,
Good afternoon in the afternoon.
good evening in the evening.
What about good night?
Good night is when you leave at night or before sleeping. It's a goodbye, not a greeting.
Oh, so good morning equals greeting, good night equals goodbye.
Exactly. Now, how do you introduce yourself?
Easy. Say, my name is, for example, my name is Mr. P.
Or you can say, I'm Jenny. This is shorter and more casual.
After you say your name, you can ask, what's your name?
Or more politely, what is your name?
And to be friendly, you can say, nice to meet you.
The other person can reply, nice to meet you too.
Perfect. Let's practice. Hi, I'm Mr. P. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Jenny. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Section 2. Everyday questions.
Now let's learn common everyday questions.
The most common question is, how are you?
People ask this all the time. How are you?
How do you answer?
You can say, I'm fine, thank you. Or, I'm good, thanks.
You can also ask back, how are you? Or, and you?
For example, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Another common question, where are you from?
This asks about your country. You answer, I'm from country.
For example, I'm from Cambodia, or I'm from Thailand.
What about what do you do?
This asks about your job. You answer, I'm a teacher, or I'm a student.
Or I work in an office, or I study at university.
Good. Another useful question, where do you live?
Answer, I live in city. For example, I live in Phnom Penh.
Here's a very important question. Do you speak English?
Giggles. If you're listening to this, you can say, yes, a little, or I'm learning.
Perfect answer. I'm learning English.
One more question. Can you help me?
Use this when you need help. Can you help me? Or can you help me, please?
Always say please to be polite.
Section 3. Polite expressions.
Now let's talk about polite expressions. These are very important.
First, please. Always use please when you ask for something.
For example, can I have water, please? Or help me, please?
Second, thank you or thanks. Say this when someone does something nice for you. Thank you or thanks.
You can also say, thank you very much. This is even more polite.
How do you respond when someone says thank you?
You say, you're welcome. This is the most common.
Or you can say no problem or no worries, more casual.
Another important word is sorry or I'm sorry.
Say this when you make a mistake or do something wrong.
For example, sorry I'm late or I'm sorry I don't understand.
If someone says sorry to you, you can say that's okay or it's fine.
One more, excuse me. Use this to get someone's attention politely.
For example, excuse me, where is the bathroom?
These polite words make you sound friendly and respectful.
Section 4. Asking for help.
Sometimes you don't understand something. What do you say?
You can say, I don't understand, or I don't know.
Or ask, can you repeat that? This means say it again.
You can also say, can you speak slowly, please?
This is very useful. Can you speak slowly?
If you don't know a word, ask, what does word mean?
For example, what does hello mean?
Or how do you say word in English?
Another useful phrase is, can you write it down? This means write it on paper.
and can you show me when you want someone to demonstrate.
These phrases help you when you're learning. Don't be shy to ask.
Yes, everyone understands that you're learning. People will help you.
Section 5. Common responses.
Let's learn some quick, easy responses.
When you agree with someone, say yes, or yeah, or that's right.
When you disagree, say no politely, or I don't think so.
When you're not sure, say maybe, or I'm not sure.
When something is good, say great, or awesome, or nice.
When something is bad, say oh no, or that's too bad.
Quick question responses. Someone asks, do you want coffee? Yes, please, or no, thank you.
Someone says, see you later, see you, or bye.
Easy, right?
Yes, just practice these every day.
Section 6. Quick practice. Okay, let's do a quick practice. I'll be person A, you be person B.
Ready.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. What's your name?
I'm Jenny. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia. And you?
I'm from here too. Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. I'm learning.
Perfect. Did you hear that? Very natural.
Now you try. Pause the video and practice with a friend.
Conclusion. Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
Greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Introductions. My name is. I'm. What's your name? Nice to meet you.
Common questions. How are you? Where are you from? What do you do? Where do you live?
Polite expressions. Please, thank you, you're welcome, sorry, excuse me.
Asking for help. I don't understand. Can you repeat? Can you speak slowly? What does this mean?
Quick responses. Yes, no, maybe, great, oh no, see you, bye.
These are the most important phrases for beginners.
Practice these every day. Use them with friends, teachers, or even alone.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
Yes, making mistakes is how you learn.
Thank you for listening today, everyone.
Keep practicing your everyday English.
What phrases do you use most often? Tell us in the comments.
Practice with us in the comments section.
Both. See you next time. Goodbye.